Hi guys, here's your notes for 5H. It's the last section in our unit on Unit 5. And this is solutions to inequalities. So our job in this first section is to determine if the solution that we're given works for the inequality. So we've done this for expressions, we've done this for algebraic equations, and now we're doing it here for inequalities. So this says P is less than 18 if P is 7. So we're just going to plug in our 7 and check to see if it makes a true statement. 7 is less than 18. It does, so we'll circle yes here. 23 is greater than Q if Q is 16. So again, we substitute 16 in for the Q and see if it's a true statement. Is 23 greater than 16? Yes. All right, we're going to take R is greater than or equal to 25 and substitute R for 10. So is 10 greater than or is it equal to 25? And clearly it's not. And then we've got S is less than or equal to 98 for an S of 98. So we're going to substitute 98 in for our S, and we're asking ourselves, is 98 less than or is it equal to 98? So sure enough it is, because 98 and 98 are equal. All right, try the last two. Go ahead and stop the video, try the last two, and test yourself and see how you're doing on those. All right, so I hope that you plugged or substituted 120 in for the t, because this tells us that t is 120, and check to see if it was greater than 124. So t is not greater than 124, so that's no. Then we're going to substitute 21 in for u. Is 19 greater than or equal to 21? Well, 19 is not greater than 21, and it's not equal to 21, so no on both of those. Okay, then on the bottom, for each inequality, determine whether the given value of the variable is the solution. Put an X in the box of all the solutions that make the inequality true. So now, just like we did with some of our other work, we've got a chart here, and we're going to check each one of these numbers to see if they're true or not. And if they are true, if they do make the statement true, we'll put an X in the box. So is 9 greater than or equal to 11? No. Is 10 greater than or equal to 11? No. Is 11 greater than or equal to 11? It is, so we put an X in that box because they're equal, and that satisfies the inequality. Is 14 greater than or equal to 11? Yes, 14 is bigger than 11. All right, is 9 less than 14? Yep. Is 10 less than 14? Yep. Is 11 less than 14? Yeah, so we put an X. Is 14 less than 14? In this case, we can't put an X here because there's no half of unequal sign here. And so we're not saying is 14 less than or equal to 14. We're just saying is 14 less than 14. So we won't put an X in that box. All right, guys, that's all for 5H. We'll talk more about this in class.